Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Jesse, and today we're diving into something that can truly revolutionize your business: standard operating procedures, or SOPs. Now, you might be thinking, SOPs sounds boring, but trust me, they're anything but. Think of them as the secret sauce to scaling your business and creating a smoother, more efficient operation. Have you ever felt like your team isn't on the same page, or that onboarding new employees is a chaotic mess? That's where SOPs come in. So, what exactly are SOPs? Simply put, they are step by step instructions that document how to perform routine tasks. They ensure everyone in your organization follows the same process every single time. It's like a recipe for success. Think about it. If you're baking a cake, you follow a recipe to ensure it comes out perfectly. Your business processes deserve the same level of precision. They can be written, visual, or even video based. The key is to make them clear, concise, and easy to follow. I specialize in creating SOPs that are tailored to your unique business needs, making them accessible and effective. Now, let's talk about why SOPs are so crucial. Here are some of the key benefits. First, consistency. Imagine every team member performing tasks the same way every time. This eliminates errors and ensures a consistent customer experience. Next, it boosters efficient onboarding. New employees can quickly learn their roles and responsibilities, reducing training time and costs. It also helps with team alignment. SOPs get everyone on the same page, fostering better communication and collaboration. Setting standards is another key benefit. SOPs establish clear expectations for performance, leading to higher quality work and greater accountability. And do you want your business to be worth more? A business with well-documented processes is more attractive to potential buyers or to the bank for funding potential. Finally, well-crafted and usable SOPs can help facilitate scaling. By documenting processes, you create a blueprint for growth, making it easier to expand your team and operations without losing quality. These benefits aren't just theoretical, they translate into real, tangible results for your business. I understand that creating effective SOPs can be a daunting task, and that's where I come in. I work closely with you to identify and document your key processes, creating clear and user-friendly SOPs that empower your team. I don't just write documents, I build systems that drive growth and efficiency. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, I can help you unlock your full potential with the power of SOPs. Ready to simplify your business and take it to the next level? Visit my website, jessekreun.com, or contact me today to learn how I can help create effective SOPs for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from a more organized and efficient business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.